Yes.
Easy, nice cocktail that dads could try at home.
Yeah, it's actually a nice cocktail based with coffee.
Serious?
Yes. So a lot of men drink coffee.
Yeah,
They're on the rush.
I'm a coffee guy.
Right? Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
And this one is actually styled after a classic espresso martini. Right? But I have a little twist in it. I have some aromatic bitters, and I have a little hazelnut instead of the regular coffee liqueur.
Oh, let's
right?
go. Some
right?
wonderful flavors. Man.
So,
yeah.
let me get right in.
Let's get
right?
cracking. Let's get cracking.
So I'm gonna add 2 ounces
Slowly vodka.
of vodka, and behind that, I'm gonna add our hazelnut and coffee liqueur.
Oh, that's
right?
hazelnut and coffee liqueur.
Yes. So you're gonna get a nutty flavor with the coffee. So 1 ounce each per cocktail. We're making 2 drinks, right? Happy to know that, right?
At least you're catering for me. And,
Yes.
Yeah, we could take a drink this morning and celebrate that this morning.
Correct. And here I have a demerara syrup, which is basically cane sugar, brown cane sugar. Reduced it and put it to simmer for a little while, not too long, and we could freshly use it. Always best if you use it fresh, right?
Brown sugar.
Yeah.
Just normal brown sugar, right?
Yeah, or demerara sugar.
Or demerara sugar.
Yeah, that's
In
more
the
the
water.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a different flavor.
Yeah, then
You
if
know?
you just use a white sugar and a white syrup.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. And now we're gonna add some freshly brewed coffee as well.
Oh,
All right.
actual coffee there.
Yes, some coffee. So we're gonna go with 1 ounce each per cocktail. So there's 2 ounces and some bitters. Simple. Put some ice in this. So we fill this up with ice. So it's nice and chill. And cover it. Now mix it in. And this we shake. Nice. Lovely. Already getting the smell of this coffee, Joe.
I'm getting it from here.
It's very aromatic.
Yeah, even socially distant, I'm getting the smell of that coffee. I love coffee too, I tell you so. Oh my goodness.
Look at that texture.
I'm now seeing the foamy look that we were looking for, right? So this is actually, as I say, it's a classic drink.
It's styled after a classic cocktail.
A coffee martini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually an espresso martini.
Espresso martini.
Yeah. So you could actually take a fresh shot of espresso
Yeah.
and make it right there on the spot.
Right. Yeah.
The fresher the coffee, the better it will
Yeah. It
taste.
just has a Tyrone twist.
Yes, of course.
It has a Tyrone twist.
Right? And to add to that twist,
Right.
they normally put some coffee beans to the top.
Right.
I'm gonna actually use some of our local Trinitario dark chocolate.
Chocolate, right.
So you give it a nice little mocha
I know we're
flavor.
gonna say that you're real talk my language
Yeah,
today, boy.
a little mocha flavor.
Mocha flavor.
Right? So all the dads out there who love coffee,
Yeah.
this is actually gonna be a nice beverage to enjoy. And you sprinkle some of that top there. It's a nice simple cocktail, Joe, but it's definitely delightful.
Wow.
And cheers.
It looks amazing, Terry. It looks amazing. The coffee dads out there. This one is for you. Cheers. We're celebrating dads for the entire month of June, as I said right here on Cup of Joe. Thanking my man Tyrone Benjamin for making it happen.
Every time.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. This is my
good.
kind of drink here, boy.
This is